Wow, we live, we back. It's your boy TitanicFeetJack, back at you again with another video. Today we got some new heat on feet for you guys, but today this is for the ladies. This is the ladies edition. Before we get into the video, got a few announcements. Make sure you comment on the video and leave that hashtag TFGang. After you comment, also like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. I'd like to welcome everyone and welcome the TF Gang to this video. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so you know when we meet to congregate and look at these hot kicks we about to get into. You see the box, take a look at the box. We see a gold Jordan Jumpman white box, Jordan 23. Let's take a look at the label. Women's Air Jordan 11. Retro Low. Women's size 12. Make sure y'all understand this. This is a women's size 12, which is a 10.5 in men's. Color white, black, and Concord. Price $185 US. You can see that number 23 right here on the box. At the side. Okay, that Jordan Jumpman, gold Jordan Jumpman. And y'all can see up top, gold Jordan Jumpman. Let's go ahead and get them out the box. Okay, we're gonna open the box. See that standard white paper. I've been meaning to bring this video to you guys for some time now, so y'all forgive me because, you know, I've been busy doing other things to keep the channel active, keep it running. So you got your regular paper. Look at these bad boys here. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of this sneaker. Get a closer look. Okay, guys, we have the women Concord 11 Low. I mean, it's a nice, clean sneaker, pretty simple. Gonna go ahead and get into it. We have leather up here on the upper, and you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 laces for your low top, your lace holes, which is white. You have the Concord purple patent leather going all the way around. And look at your midsole. You have the white midsole. And you have that icy. You got that ice right here at the bottom of your midsole, which goes to the outsole. Get a good look at that outsole. The outsole, you got your black traction pad, one at the ball of your feet or the toes, one at the heel. You have your Concord Jordan Jumpman, and you see that carbon fiber right here, guys. And it's topped off with your translucent outsole. Look at the rear of the sneaker. Here, the Concord color 2-3 on the back with a Jordan Jumpman. Jordan Jumpman is stitched on in black stitching. Look at the inside of the sneaker, you know, that nice leather. Have your 5 lace eyelids on your upper. Then, of course, that Concord purple patent leather going all the way around on this side. And you have that white midsole with the icy. Got that ice on the midsole, which goes to the outsole. And get a good look. You can see the carbon fiber that I was showing you guys earlier. Look at the toe box. Yep, got that nice smooth pattern at the toe box. We got the leather, white leather tongue going all the way up. You have that stitched on patch, Jumpman Jordan in white letters. The Jordan Jumpman is in the Concord purple colorway. All the way to the top, plain tongue. White rope laces, the only pair of laces these came with. Inside, take out your shoe tree. Take a look at your shoe tree. standard shoe tree. Let's set this here. Let's take a look at the inside of the sneaker. We have a black insole with a Concord purple Jordan Jumpman. Now let's see if we can get a look at that tongue. I'm sorry, not the tongue, the tag. Okay, guys, we got the tag right here. See, size 12. And production date is December of last year to, looks like March of this year. So we had a few months of production on these. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of this sneaker. Gonna place this back on the table. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of this sneaker. And after that, we'll be right back with you. Let me know what you think of the sneaker. Leave that in the comment section. And remember, as always, every time you comment, leave that hashtag TFGang after all your comment, guys. This shoe is for sale. This shoe is for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing this shoe, get at me on my Instagram. Hit me up. DM me. That information is down below, guys. But let me know what you think of this sneaker. It's a pretty cool sneaker. Would I cop it if I was afforded the option? Probably not, because 11 lows on... I have to stay away, I have to stay away from certain low top sneakers due to the fact of how long they'll look. I really look like Sasquatch walking with these on. But if these were to come out in a mid or a high, like your traditional 11, I think I would get a pair of these because it's a smooth colorway and I can see myself wearing these. It's a clean shoe, but like a lot of the times, shoes look good on people's feet that has a nice, a nice size foot, the average foot, or even small feet. So, again, like the video. We'd like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and turn on those post notification bells. Lord, I said notification all jacked up. I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to roll with it. I'm not going to edit it. Turn on your post notifications. Like to thank you guys for watching. TF Gang, we in the building. We going to start trending. Don't forget TF Gang. At the end of your comments, hashtag TF Gang. Peace out, guys. TitanicFeetJack signing out.